What's up guys, it's Y21 Cubing. Today we are gonna unbox the Rubik's 50th anniversary cube. Please like, subscribe, and comment. But before you unbox it, here's a brief introduction. Last year, which was 2024, was their 50th anniversary year, so therefore, they decided to celebrate it by making a Rubik's Cube which used the original 1980s design but with gold stickers instead of yellow. So us modern speed cubers could get a taste of how cubing was like back in the 80s. Additionally, back then they thought that Rubik's Cube had 3 billion combinations, but actually has 43 quintillion and the exact number shown on the top of the screen. Even the box is made to resemble the original 1980s design. The film is actually quite nice, it's metallic. Opening the box is actually a lot easier than I thought. Let's see turning. It is actually pretty good despite resembling the original 1980s design. However, I don't get why they put that clear sticker on the red side. Did they do that in the 1980s? I don't know. To test the turning, let's make the cube in a cube in a cube pattern. This is already a really cool pattern on the 3x3. It looks really good on big cubes. If you want to see me do it on my 15x15, the link is in the description. And not only can it be done on 15x15 like this, but with more layers, it also has some really cool derivatives. If you want some cool combo of a few patterns on my big cubes, just let me know and I'll cook up something for you. Now it's time to do the checkerboard pattern. One of the simplest patterns, but it looks pretty good on a big cube. Again, if you want some combo of the checkerboard and the cube in a cube in a cube pattern, just let me know in the comments. The checkerboard with gold instead of yellow looks pretty cool. But now it's time to scramble it and see how fast I could solve it. I'm trying to aim for under 40 seconds. Be patient with me while I scramble the cube. I'm just doing my inspection here. Guess I'm gonna start with a golden cross. You know, I'm color neutral. I don't always start with the white cross. And I think color neutrality is great because sometimes the white cross isn't the best cross to do. So, sometimes it's better to just do other crosses. This is a 2019 Rubik's brand just for reference. Now, I will solve the GAN 13 for comparison and the 50th anniversary cube one more time so I beat the time I want to beat of 40 seconds. Almost a sub 20 but not quite. In conclusion, this is a pretty good cube for a 1980s design, though it is a bit uneven, with the blue and yellow sides having the best turning. That's it for today's video and see you next time.